3M-VHB tape makes product assembly fast and easy in ways that traditional fastening methods can't offer. Because 3M-VHB tape is both a pressure-sensitive adhesive and a closed-cell foam, it bonds and seals in one step, eliminating the need for liquid sealants. There's no messy squeeze-out associated with liquid adhesives and no post-processing, grinding or smoothing, making the process clean and fast. For applications like industrial enclosures and electronics, this increases throughput and simplifies assembly. The adhesive skin of 3M-VHB tape bonds quickly without the need to fixture or clamp while waiting for the adhesives to dry or cure. Assemblies can immediately move from one station to the next. This increases throughput for customers in a variety of industries, from electronics to bus building to structural glazing. Because 3M-VHB tape can be applied from a roll or die cut to specialty shapes, powered tools are often unnecessary. This simplifies the process and can decrease the cost of specialized labor. And for products with a continuous manufacturing process like extrusions, 3M-VHB tape can be applied during the extrusion process. Alternately, parts can be manufactured during converting with the tape already applied, completely eliminating an assembly step. Faster, easier assembly. One more way that 3M-VHB tape helps engineers dream, design, and deliver industry-leading products.